so he's doing a one thing. So I'm going to do it. I haven't done this in a really long time. But now I'm going to. I just decided to do it. So yeah, we got this. It's foggy. It's really nothing. It's really no rain. I thought it would be more. It's foggy, right? It's like foggy. So over here is probably